Hi guys, it's Marco here from Marco's Trains Vlogs. I'm here at Unanderra for Unanderra Vlog 62 and part 12 I think. We have H13 for essential service. I just got off that. So that train's next stop will be Coniston, followed by Wollongong, North Wollongong, Thirroul, Helensburgh, Sutherland, Hurstville, Wallacott, Redfern and Central. I was going past the tracks between Kemper Grange Racecourse and the Princess Highway Railway crossing. And at the top I saw a train going down Farmborough Heights, a limestone train. 2 NR classes leading, and you can see there's 2 drivers there. So they're going to do a driver change. So I'll see you when the freight train comes. Alright guys, the signal just changed to yellow, so the freight train is coming. Alright, the NR class just came around the bridge. So you can see the lights over there. So I'll see you when it comes closer. And looks like it's been, one of the leading loco has been repainted. The leading loco is NR85. Oh, they used to be in the Southern Spirit livery. So the leading loco is NR85. Second locomotive is NR67. And I've seen that a few times in the past couple of weeks. And now this signal has changed to green. And the other one at the top is yellow. I'll just come this way. So there's green signal and yellow signal. And they might be departing. Yep, the engine's powering up. And they're now departing. Thank you. So this run number is 2928. The leading loco is NR85 in the ex-Southern, well, it used to be in the Southern Spirit livery, and the second locomotive NR67. And it has a limestone train with surprisingly no NHJF coal hoppers. And here comes the train ends. And that came from Marulan Quarry and is going to Port Kembla. Port Kembla / Cringula. So, yeah, that was good. Anyway guys, thank you for all watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment down below, and I want to see you in the next video. Goodbye!